Hey guys, it's nayfromva and we're back with another YouTube video. So today I am going to show y'all how I prep my hair for box braids. I just took out my wig braids last night, so my hair is dirty and I need to wash it. So yeah. So I'm gonna wash my hair and condition it and moisturize it and stuff like that, so it'll be ready for box braids, which I'm gonna do as well. So yeah, let's get ready.
So I just made that little mask thing using honey, egg, mayonnaise, and I just mixed it up. Now I'm using some leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair and give it some like water moisture before I put the mask on, so I can stretch it out and finger detangle it as I put this little mask on. And so I'm just going section by section and applying the substance evenly. It's kind of like messy, well, very messy and sticky, but it works for me. I just do this little pre-poo before I wash my hair, because otherwise it's going to be an even harder wash day. So just getting through the hair and moisturizing it before I wash it adds, some type of extra stuff. I don't know. But yeah, just keep watching. I am going through finger detangling, just average stuff.
Okay, I'm back, and now I'm about to wash my hair using Shea Moisture Curl Hibiscus Curl and Shine shampoo, and I'm about to use the Texture by Cantu leave-in plus rinse out hydrating conditioner, whatever. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go. It's the rinse out. Now to wash.
Jeff, don't laugh. Jeff, don't. Oh, yeah, Jeff.
Okay, so I'm about to start the braiding process. I just have a piece of stretched hair. I'm going to show y'all how to do that later. And I'm just separating and trying to find where I'm going to part at. I clip off some sections of hair, then just really plan out how I'm going to lay out the braids. So I'm using this little mirror to exactly see what's going on back there, because I don't have eyes in the back of my head. So you can kind of see in the mirror what's going on, like just like how I'm seeing. And I'm using the Shine Jam, the Pro Shine Jam, to pretty much seal the hair, and it kind of like gives a sleek finish, and it's like a little gel jam kind of thing, and it just makes your braids look sleeker, especially if you have 4C hair. You kind of like, I don't know, but pretty good. And so I just used, this is a stretched hair I have. I split it into two sections. One's bigger than the other, and then I folded the way I folded it and inserted into my head. I'm not really sure how to explain to you how I do it, but there's a lot of YouTube videos out there. That's how I learned. Nobody taught me. Get it on your own. So go. If you want a more detailed video, then let me know. It's difficult to explain because I used to not be able to braid this way, but then I started practicing, and practice makes perfect. Even though I'm still not, at mastery level, I'm better than what I was. So I'm just braiding all the way down to the end and making sure that you tuck your natural hair on the inside of the braid. That's how you get that better looking. Yeah, so that's how you get a better effect when you tuck. It just means like cover your own hair with the extensions and like wrap it around and just try to like make sure that your actual hair is in the back of the braid. So I braid all the way down and I kind of put it in my mouth a little bit just so I can release the tension that's on my scalp. I braid all the way down to the end because it just gives the most cleanest effect. And this time I did it, I actually put knots at the end, which I don't know. I didn't actually end up dipping my hair this time, but I didn't really have to because I put the knots. So, yeah, that was interesting that I put a little knot at the end. Not that cute, but not that ugly. So then I just moved that braid out the way and I get on to the next braid. Yeah, that's me being a little bit ugly. Okay, so take that hair that's not stretched, and this is how I stretch it. I just pull it at the end and just keep pulling, make it messy, ugly, clean, dirty. You just keep pulling. And then I use my hands to finger detangle the hair and get it back straight. Not really straight, but like not tangled up because that makes braiding hard. And yeah, now it's kind of like tapered. Yeah, it's kind of a difficult process, but it's worth it. Because then, yeah, you get that little even look and you don't have blocky braids. So this is kind of me showing you how I position my fingers. And then I just latch it across the hair and cross over and cross over and cross over. And then you get that little attachment up to the top. And you keep braiding. And like my fingers are kind of twisting. That's how I keep my natural hair under the braid. And I'm just braiding down, braiding down, braiding down. Then I put it in my mouth again and keep braiding. Because if I don't braid it all the way down to the end, sometimes like it'll unravel most of the time, or it will just look ugly. And I just like when it looks sleek and braided all the way down to the end, even if I have to spend an extra 5 minutes using my little tired fingers to get the small pieces of hair braided up. See, my skin is not acting correctly. And then I put a little knot in it. Boom, boom, boom. Da 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 da. Close up. And I tuck it away. And then that's it. It's me being ugly. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is the finished product. Yeah. Real cute. Real cute. I love you guys. Please support me. Yeah. Bye.